Are you ready to take the plunge into the world of cryptocurrencies? Unlock the secrets to smart investing, stay safe from fraud, and gain the knowledge to succeed in crypto assets. Watch now! Are you considering trading in cryptocurrencies but don't know where to start? Learn how to make smart investments, avoid fraudulent activity, and gain insight into the world of blockchain technology and crypto assets. It's time to enter the fascinating and unpredictable world of crypto investing. Subscribe to Cryptosphere now and join us as we explore the world of crypto investing. Keep watching to learn how to make smart investments, avoid fraudulent activity, and gain insight into the world of blockchain technology and crypto assets. Don't miss out on this fascinating and unpredictable journey. Have you ever heard of cryptocurrencies? They are digital forms of money that can be used to buy products and services. Cryptocurrencies have some unique features that make them different from traditional currencies. These features include decentralization, immutability, pseudonymity, and security. Cryptography is used to make sure each transaction is authentic and reliable, making it almost impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Plus, anyone with an internet device can use cryptocurrencies without banks acting as gatekeepers. This makes them secure and global. Their blockchain technology also gives users who own cryptocurrency units on their wallet something more powerful than money: control over their funds anytime they want it. So what's the difference between traditional currencies and these new digital forms? Well, traditional currencies are regulated by governments, while cryptocurrency is decentralized and not controlled by any government. Traditional banking systems use a centralized model to process transactions between people, while cryptocurrencies use a decentralized network that uses peer-to-peer technology, making them quicker, easier, and cheaper than traditional money transfer methods. The biggest difference is the way they offer anonymity when making financial transfers. When using traditional currency, you have to provide personal details like your name or address for merchant records. But with cryptocurrency, your customer information is kept private due to the digital encryption methods implemented through blockchain technology. What challenges do regulators face when trying to limit fraudulent activities surrounding cryptocurrencies? Regulators have had a lot of challenges when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, like money laundering and fraud. Plus, not every country has the same rules, making it hard for people to figure it out and businesses to know what to do. Governments are trying to figure out how to watch and tax the market, and some have even banned trading cryptocurrencies outright. Another big challenge for investors is that the prices of cryptocurrencies can be really unpredictable. This makes it hard to know what will happen to your investment over time because of outside factors. How will governments make sure people don't lose money because of these price changes? What steps can an investor even take to protect themselves from cryptocurrency scams? Well, the prices of cryptocurrency can change a lot in a short amount of time, which can lead to unexpected losses or gains for investors. As the market for cryptocurrencies become more established, it may become easier to predict how these shifts will affect investment over time as more people become familiar with how they work. Cryptocurrencies are also becoming a more popular way to make payments, but since they can also be used for criminal activities like fraud and money laundering, they provide anonymity when transferring funds online. It can be difficult for governments to regulate exchanges while still protecting user privacy. Criminal use of cryptocurrency takes advantage of the decentralized nature, allowing users to remain anonymous and avoid regulation. This makes it an attractive option for criminal activities like money laundering, extortion, fraud, and evading sanctions. It's also much harder for law enforcement agencies to trace transactions or identify users when dealing with cryptocurrencies, making them a favored method by criminals all over the world. Furthermore, both exchanges that facilitate trading between cryptocurrencies and ATMs dedicated to buying and selling digital currencies are vulnerable targets, resulting in incidents like hacking or theft occurring frequently on these platforms. To combat this issue, governments have put measures in place like creating new regulations and laws surrounding crypto activity, while always improving their ability to track down cybercriminals with illicit activity occurring in their space. Despite these efforts, unfortunately, risk does still exist, especially amongst inexperienced investors opening themselves up to potential financial losses due to mismanagement of funds or outright fraudulent scams. So the question remains, what more can be done to protect individuals from falling prey to malicious actors wanting to exploit innocent parties? Cryptocurrency markets don't have a lot of protection or regulation, making it easy for scammers to come up with sneaky schemes like fake initial coin offerings, or ICOs, or Ponzi plans. They can do this without getting caught by the government and take advantage of people who don't know any better. Unfortunately, a lot of people have lost money because of these scams, or bad people trying to take advantage of the innocent. That's why it's very important to understand what you're investing in before you take a financial risk in this space. Luckily, people have taken steps to make it safer. For example, some exchanges have customer support pages where you can report suspicious activity. They have a strict listing requirement, only allowing regulated tokens on the platform. They also do KYC, know your customer checks, to make sure that criminals can be traced and user privacy is protected. But it's still important to do your own research and not just rely on the educational resources online. That way you can make sure you're making the best decisions when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. What steps can an investor take to protect themselves from cryptocurrency scams? Well, cryptocurrency scams can be especially dangerous since they exist in the digital world, and scammers have a lot of ways to hide their true identity. They may use fake profiles or sophisticated phishing techniques through emails, social media posts, or text messages, offering unbelievable returns on investments. It's important for users to recognize suspicious patterns like continuous requests for personal information or upfront payments before doing any business with someone. In fact, one of the most effective methods used by financially motivated attackers is ransomware attacks. This is when they encrypt files until victims pay up using cryptocurrency as payment. Because cryptocurrency is anonymous, this method has been around long before cryptocurrencies even came into existence. That's why it's very important that we stay informed about common cybersecurity threats related to our money and are careful when considering investing in crypto assets online. Make sure you trust only verified exchanges with strong security protocols, increasing your user confidence within these markets. This is because transparency amongst participants encourages responsible investment decisions that prioritize safety over profit margins alone. Now, there's an interesting discussion happening in the mainstream audience. What role does understanding blockchain technology play in increasing viewability and preventing potential harm from malicious actors attempting illicit actions? Well, it's important to understand blockchain technology and cryptography if you want to protect your cryptocurrency investments. Blockchain is a secure and transparent platform that records all transactions, and digital algorithms protect crypto assets from risks like fraud or hacking. A network of computers verifies each transaction securely with cryptographically secured protocols for maximum security. Initial coin offerings, or ICOs, are a great way to get new cryptocurrencies in exchange for money, but they don't have any regulation. This means there is a risk you could lose your money if you don't do your research. Before investing in ICOs, you should find out what is being offered, how much risk you're willing to take, research the track record if available, and check if there are tutorials online to help you understand the market. You should also make sure that authorities haven't flagged down the platform because it doesn't meet quality standards. Doing your research thoroughly can help you avoid losses and make you feel more confident about investing. So what solutions can help people trust ICOs and protect their investments? To protect yourself from ICOs that are scams or have failed to deliver on their promises, it's important to do your own research first. Check the background of any company issuing a token and its involvement in other projects before investing. Conduct due diligence in both the concept behind the coin project as well as its current market price action. Be aware of potential signs indicating manipulation, like frequent pumps on social media accounts intending to artificially inflate prices with no real contributions to underlying value or usage adoption strategy. Enabling credibility is key, as fraudsters cold-heartedly try to take advantage of unsuspecting people hoping to get rich quick. It's recommended to make educated decisions and weigh the risks and rewards prior to committing money. It's also wise to carefully analyze what is presented and join an established community to ask the right questions and the right experts, so you can get the answers you need. This will help you correctly assess one of your responsible objectives and criteria, and with the knowledge available, you can safely navigate the world of cryptocurrency investments. The answer to one thought-provoking question is key. How can you best keep track of the changes and stay ahead of the game? Cryptocurrencies are digital forms of money that can be used to buy products and services. They are decentralized, secure, and provide anonymity when making financial transfers. Despite these benefits, cryptocurrencies do come with some risks, like money laundering, fraud, and price volatility. Regulators have had a difficult time trying to limit fraudulent activities surrounding cryptocurrencies, and inexperienced investors can easily be taken advantage of by malicious actors. In order to protect yourself, it's very important you understand blockchain technology, do research on the company issuing a token, and ask questions to establish credibility. It's also wise to join an established community to ask the right experts and find the answers you need to make educated decisions and weigh the risks and rewards prior to committing money. Are you ready to get ahead of the curve and learn what the current state of the crypto market is? Well, don't miss out on the opportunity to stay informed and make the most out of your investments. Watch the next video now to find out about the latest news and trends in the crypto market.